Wells did not have, there's banks have been talking, and they do not have good net interest margin. I still wonder what it's like to have no CEO. What's that like, just?
You've been saying that for months.
You're talking about Wells Fargo. I mean, they have acting. By the way, most of the U.S. government's got acting.
Yeah, but see that I don't know what the government is per share.
Right.
But Wells Fargo per share has been an underperformer. I don't know. In the end, I know Elizabeth Warren, don't listen. I favor CEOs.
You think it's positive to have a CEO?
I think, yeah. I mean,
listen, you know, it's...
Maybe not.
It is fascinating that they're having such a hard time finding somebody to take this
Intel had a hard find. Now, hard job finding.
Yeah, Bob Swan actually ended up, well, right.
Yeah, but I think
this has been harder.
But how is it possible that this company cannot find a CEO? I mean, are they worried about Elizabeth Warren attacking that? She or he would be.
Of course they are, and of course that person is. Why wouldn't they be?
I don't know.
If she becomes the president, what do you think is going to happen to the banks?
Well, it would be a suboptimal situation for the banks.
Right.
You think Elizabeth Warren pushes banks into it? Well, they're already down 20% from the highs, but.
Yeah, I just think that there were these hearings in the 30s where they brought rich people in front of Congress and just kind of trashed them. It was effective.
Well, it's about 20 years later, we had the least discrepancy in incomes in the 50s and 60s, all right?
I don't know what's going to happen. Look, I've got to tell you, when you get off the desk and you talk to executives, they're more fearful of her winning. I mean, I've never heard anybody say, look, she's got to be stopped. She's got to be stopped. I don't know. She's very, she keeps going up in the polls.
She's raised a ton of money.
She's going to win Iowa, I believe. She's a very compelling figure on the stump.
By the way, I hear it too, and it's another reason why companies are being implored to do things now. If you want to get something done,
you really think
M&A or anything, think about doing it soon, because come early to mid-2020, if Elizabeth Warren's rolling along, everybody's going to be like, that's it.
So you're hearing it too?
Oh, yeah.
I wonder what China says about that exact question.
Oh, yeah.
Boy, she is so anti-pollution in China. Remember, she is a person who talks about the, like Mark Benioff in his book coming out, stakeholder, the Earth. The Earth is a stakeholder. Don't worry about that.
Benioff would probably be a supporter, wouldn't he?
We don't know. Benioff we don't know. Benioff is very close to the vest. Yes, very close to the vest.